Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2000 Triumph Sprint RS. This has got the famous 955 triple cylinder, liquid cooled fuel injection. This bike is in fantastic condition, just acquired from its original owner. 49,000 miles. She runs beautiful. She's in beautiful condition. Make your big time sport bike dreams come true for just $19.99. This gorgeous Triumph RS. You're gonna love the way that triple feels. Powerful, torquey, and smooth. No financing, no extended service contract. This will be a cash bike. Check us out on the web, www.Contra Costa Powersports. Where at any given time we had 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.